Discount Hot Deals presents the brand new Emo Home Emo 4 Refillable Capsules. You need to make sure you're purchasing the very best refillable capsules for your Nespresso machine to maintain the smooth performance you have come to expect. Please continue to watch so that Discount Hot Deals may demonstrate to you just how far superior the new Emo 4 refillable capsules are compared with the now superseded Emo 3 refillable capsules. The brand new Emo refillable capsules contain an extra stainless steel filter in the bottom of the capsule, which means there is no need to clean your machine after every use. Watch as we place a piece of kitchen paper into the ejected capsule holder to clearly show you the results. When we pull out the ejected capsule holder, you can see for yourself the stunning results. Capsule is clean both on the bottom and the top. Also, look at just how little mess has been left on our piece of kitchen paper. To be able to analyze the results properly, Discount Hot Deals will now place another clean piece of paper into the ejected capsule holder, followed by the insertion of the old and superseded Emo 3 refillable capsule into the machine. You will note that we did not need to do a clean water run through the machine after using the Emo 4 refillable capsule. When we pull out the ejected capsule holder, you can now see just how much coffee is left on the clean piece of kitchen paper. Under the immense pressure of the water sent through the old and superseded Emo 3 refillable capsule, the coffee is forced through the pinholes to the underside, resulting in quite some mess and a clean water run now being necessary through your machine. Look how dirty the clean piece of kitchen paper is. If you are not purchasing your refillable capsules from Discount Hot Deals, the eBay seller you can trust, then you may be purchasing old stock that will make your expensive coffee machine very unhappy. Discount Hot Deals, where you will always receive 100% satisfaction. Guaranteed.